Hello everybody, and welcome to Wednesday. It is almost noon and I've been sitting here editing. Are you okay?
I fell. I'm good.
Alright then. Anyway, I've been sitting here editing today's video. I have no idea if it's gonna go up today, mostly because our internet has been total shit lately. So I can do things on the internet, like I can watch YouTube and things like that, because that's the download speed. But in order to upload something, you need fast upload speed, and yeah, it's only at 3 today, which is a total pain in my ass. So we'll see if that actually gets uploaded. But yeah, I kind of forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging, and I didn't really do a whole lot yesterday. Actually did nothing yesterday because I had a migraine and I pretty much just sat in the dark all day. Like, it did not go away until the evening, and then I was just sleepy and I went to bed. Right now I'm editing. I just use iMovie because it's way easier and cheaper. I mean, free. And I discovered that I filmed like almost 2 hours of footage the other day over the course of a weekend, and need to whittle it down to something reasonable. Right now I've whittled it to, well, I'm only 27 minutes through editing, and I have a whole hour of footage left. So pray for me to a God that I don't think exists, but you know, help. Alright guys, the last time I talked to you I was editing my video and I exported it, and turns out I only exported half of it. So I was very excited because it uploaded very quickly, and that was awesome, except it was only 6 minutes of a 22-minute video, so not even half. So I had to take it down, re-upload it, re-optimize it, i.e. like put all the tags and excuse me, on all the links again. So I've now finished that again, and I'm just about to set it live. So I kind of want public. I want to premiere it now. I'm just doing like the automatic tweet that happens. It's something that's that they're taking away at the end of the month, but I fill it out anyway while it's here, because then at least I don't have to tweet it out. I do uncheck the Google Plus though, because what the hell is the point in Google Plus? I literally don't know. Alright, I'm attempting some product photography, but the problem, well, is that I'm really bad at photography, so wish me luck, because it's probably going to be bad. Also, look at all this mess I have here. Oh, I hate mess on my work table, but whatever. Alright, let's get to this. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Do you like my pillows? Yeah, you like my pillows? I like my pillows too. You're so sucky. Yes, you are. You gonna roll over for me? Yes. Look at you. Look at you all rolled over. Oh, thank you. Okay, that's enough. That's enough of that. She's such a suck, guys. She's such a suck. And she's totally making my new, well, they're not new, but they're freshly washed sheets and blankets, all smelly with her dog butt. Aren't you? Aren't you? Look at that tail down there. Yes. Is that your penis tail? Your peen tail? Are you peeing too? Yeah. Oh God, I love you. I love you. Oh, okay, you just like to lick everything, don't you? Thank you. I kind of trained her. Well, let's not call it really training, because that if I lean my face close, I get a kiss. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna leave you to go back to work. I am watching some YouTube that's still playing in the background, and copyright makes me nervous, so I'm gonna turn that off for a second. Oh, that's very, very bright. It's hard because one side of my room is really bright, one side is not. Good, I can see my nose now, so it looks like I don't just have ghost nostrils. That's great. I am continuing on with my product photography for today. So this is my setup here. I'm gonna walk you through it. So we've got all this to photograph. Well, not all of it, but I tried to take the photos on my phone yesterday and it just wasn't looking as nice. So I'm going to start over again today. So I've got lots of stuff to take pictures of. Then I've got this like wood necklace stand here. It's from Michael's. I painted it white. It was sort of like more of a dry brush finish. Now it's just solid white for the most part. I mean, then I've got some white wrapping paper that's just over some foam core. So back here, I'm sorry for that shifty movement. I've got two pieces of foam core. One is held up by clamps down here, and then one is underneath so that you don't see the gray and the cutting mat coming through the paper. So yeah, and I'm attempting to take photos. So let's do that then, okay? Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. I have to leave the house in about 10 minutes or less. I am working at Happy Thoughts today. I don't normally work on Saturdays. It's normally just Sundays. Okay, that's too bright. I'm gonna step back over here. I really wish I would stop making that weird noise with my mouth. Anyway, need to get dressed because I'm not dressed. I definitely need to brush my teeth. I just was in the bathroom. I forgot to do that. Let's go do that now. Welcome to the very yellow bathroom. Alright, it's really hard to see because it's all black, but I am wearing a sweater I got from Torrid. The sleeves are a little short. I'm not sure if that's on purpose or not. It's annoying because I would like them to be just like half an inch to an inch longer. Anyway, they're a little bit like balloony. I'm wearing a 5X. I will link it in the description. It's just a v-neck. It's oversized. Mostly cotton blend sweater. Then I am wearing black pants that I got from Pennington's. Let me just see. Ow, 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 ow. Totally just stepped on a dog treat. That dog treat, in fact. It's my dog's Chewy. So, anyway. I am wearing these like high-waisted pull-on work pants. They are the straight leg fit, which means they fit a little like skinny on my legs because of the lymphedema. I'm not going anywhere. That suitcase is just full of products that I made. So anyway, and they have real pockets. However, I was told that these are last season or last year because the pants, like the ones with the real pockets, were discontinued. So Pennington's put pockets in my damn pants. Like, come on. I'm also wearing like a Torrid bralette. And I wear that instead of a real bra because I like to be comfortable. I am also wearing a couple necklaces, but I'm thinking this top may be too low cut for them because they're just gonna get stuck between my boobs. So, the shorter one is by Sherry Jeffrey, and it's one she custom did for me. And then the other one is a button off of my grandpa's military uniform on a vintage chain from my grandma, and he just had this like gold bit put around, or brass bit put around the outside. He made one for all of the grandkids, and then I also am wearing Sherry Jeffrey earrings. I think I'm going to take off the necklaces because I also have on like a bunch of rings, so let's go take these off. I just feel they don't feel right.
But it's like, did you ask him?
Alright, we are here, and I'm just getting out of the car. I'm actually in a parking garage because I'm gonna be here for 7 hours today. More than 7 hours if you include the 10 minutes before, 20 minutes after sort of thing, open, close. I'm running a little later than I would like, but that's just me. My coat is all bunched around my face. It's so weird. Okay, let's get out of here. How am I gonna do this? I have my computer with me too. Okay. I need my little parking slip. There's nobody around to watch me, so sorry to all the headphone users. Alright, you're gonna get this fun upshot of my nose for a bit while we're walking. I'm in a parking garage in like downtown. I don't know if it's too bright for you guys to see, I think. But it's in behind a bunch of stores. And it's dark.
First floor.
Okay, let's try not to die. Oh, all right. There we go. I'm walking on cobblestones, so let's really hope I don't slip and wipe out, because would suck. A lot of downtown Kingston has cobblestones everywhere, so I also look like a nut job walking down the street with my camera out. But gotta do what I gotta do. Alright, I'm in the store. I don't know what happened, but somehow between the parking garage, when I was vlogging coming out of it, and here, something happened to my camera. Basically, it turned all white, like on the screen. I think it was because it was just too bright out. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna complain about being too bright out because, to be honest, for the last like week and a half, it's only been dark and gray, and the last 2 days have been white and like bright and sunny, and it's lovely. So I'm in the store. Hello. I can't remember the last time I vlogged because I kind of had a snow day yesterday, and I did nothing. Well, that's not true. I tidied and I organized. I did not necessarily tidy based on the state of my floor right now. Yeah, it was a lot, and I ended up having to like throw out, I don't know, get rid of, clean out. I wouldn't necessarily say I Marie Kondoed my supplies, but I went through and I kind of figured out the things I would actually use and had products in mind for. I was gonna go to Toronto on Monday to do a supply run, but as it turns out, I can buy pretty much everything online that I need, so that's what I'm gonna do. And excuse me, I was drinking hot chocolate before and pizza. I was not drinking pizza, eating pizza. Anyway, I really just came on here so that I could end this and start up the new vlog because it's Wednesday and I need to edit it. I'm not even sure if I know I have too much footage because I film in like 10-minute chunks, but yes, I needed an ending so I can start my vlog properly. And I'm hoping to get it posted tonight for you guys, and then I'm hoping to record enough today to post another one tomorrow night. We'll see. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna end this and then I will start another one immediately after. See you soon. Bye.